Gypsy Man Racing. Here I'm installing the Flash Tune side harness onto a 2019 Yamaha R1, and this is the diagram. It's very hard to get, but there are other videos on here that show you, but this is the diagram that you need to install it. And let's go down and look at the work that we did. So we took off the side panel. Okay, this is where the ECU is located. The ECU is right here. Take that out. You just slide it out. Once you have it out, there's a clip on the back of this. Push down, pull the clip up, it's gonna pop off. Same thing with this lower one. The lower one is a black and white wire that's located right here. You see it? You have to pull that one out after you push the white tabs on both of these harnesses. There's a white tab you push up, and it's so simple. You just pull the wire out. The kit is awesome that Flash Tune provides. It has all the correct fittings. You just kind of tie it into the black and white, which gives it its negative, I believe. Okay, you're gonna tie that in. You're just gonna slip it back in, push the white tab. Now you're gonna do the same thing that's located for each wire. There's only 3 wires of red, orange, and yellow that go into the main harness. Okay, there's little plugs in there. You're just gonna pull them up, use whatever sharp tool you need. After you press the white tab, it's gonna come out so easily. Then you're just gonna make sure you feed in the connectors that's on the harness in the same sequence that you saw on the diagram. Put that back, everything's done. I'm telling you, it's so simple. That's how you do it. This is where they're located. You see that orange, yellow, and red. That's where it's located. That's all you have to do to put the harness on. Gypsy Man Racing. So simple. Enjoy your tuning. Peace.